Hey guys, welcome back. Today I've got this motorcycle lift. It's not really a lift, it's more of a jack that I ordered off of Amazon. It's about 80 bucks. We're gonna unbox it, take a look at it. So you can find these online. Now I already have a actual motorcycle jack and a lift. And pardon the mess, I'm in the process of cleaning up. So you can see that's the lift. And don't mind my granddaughter's out here helping me today. Right, Tiny? Yeah, she's got the flag. And then I've got this motorcycle jack down here that I can roll around, and it's basically like a floor jack. So let me get you set back up over here. So this one has a specific purpose, and I'll show you once we get it unboxed. And we're going to assemble it if need be. Its shipping weight was 33 pounds, so it's not super heavy. And it is 1,100 pound. It's an 1,100 pound mini motorcycle lift. Okay. Yes. Can you please stop for a second, sweetheart? So we've got the feet and the adapters there. We've got this handy piece. We've got what I presume is a safety pin. Our other piece there, and another foot right there. Okay, and then the main jack itself. We'll slide that off the bench. Okay, so that is the main jack. Then we've got these pieces that slide onto the jack, but I think I'm going to have to raise it up a little bit first. There we go. Now they slide on there. Oop. And then they accept these. And those are height adjustable as well, so we'll just say right about there. And then you have these screws to lock those in place. Just like that. So, the way this works and what I bought it for was not actually for use on the floor, but actually on the lift. So if I needed to, which I'll take you over here and we'll show you. I could set it up with these on here to pick up directly on the frame if I needed to. With this bike, you can see they're sitting a little high. So what I can do is I can slide these off. Sorry, I'm reaching right in front of the camera. I can slide that off. Then I can slide this whole jack directly under the frame. And it's just a matter of, they give you this socket. Honestly, you can use a ratchet. Will work probably exponentially better. But by adjusting the position, say I need to remove the rear tire, I can bring it back here. I can raise it up. And I can actually lift the rear tire of the bike. So if I needed to change the back tire, somebody just took a tumble down the stairs. Yeah, you were playing on the stairs and it didn't work very well, did it? So if you need to change the back tire, you can use this. You can lift the bike up off the lift. Then you could drop the tire out. If you needed to change the oil, you could do this. And this motorcycle, the engine actually sits up in the frame, not down below it. So you can use this jack flat on this bike. If this were, say, my Valkyrie, you would need these lift pads because the engine actually sits down below the frame. So you can't really lift it flat. But for $80, it got good Amazon reviews and it comes fully assembled. The only thing I might need to do are grease some of the bearings. But other than that, it seems to work really well. So thank you for watching, guys. I will put a link to the Amazon listing for that jack, and that way if anybody's interested in it, they can go on Amazon and pick that up. So check down in the comments. Also, if you watch some of the other videos on my channel, you can see my unboxing and my initial review of this motorcycle lift. This is from Harbor Freight. Love it. It works great. And then if you watch the cards, there you go. If you watch the cards, you can actually see the assembly process for this workbench. Oh, she's being a stinker. She found bubble wrap. Tiny child with bubble wrap. Yep. Hi, cutie. You're on camera.
Cookie?
Camera. So, you can see the unboxing and the assembly of that workbench. I'm really liking the workbench. It's working really well. You can see I've got it loaded up with all kinds of stuff already. So, at any rate, thanks for watching, guys. Don't be afraid to get out there and get your hands dirty. You might have a little fun doing it. Rate, subscribe, share it with your friends. We'll see you on the next one.